Hello students, today I am going to teach you how to make a national flag. As you all know, on 15 August is celebrated as National Independence Day. So on this day, on this occasion, I am going to teach you how to make a Indian flag. Our Indian flag is tri-colored. There are three colors in it. One is saffron, white and green. Okay. And in middle there is a chakra, which is called as Ashok Chakra. So now I will teach you how to make a Indian flag. First, I will tell you what are the things that we need. 2 A4 sheet paper, a white paper, a pencil, scale. I am using crayons color. You can use any color, wax color or watercolor or a sketch pen, and a Fevicol, a gum. Okay. First, you have to use A4 sheet paper, one A4 sheet paper. Now you have to fold like this. And in between, a line has been drawn. You have to cut this one A4 sheet paper into 2 small pieces. As you can see, there are 2 small pieces. अब हमारे पास 2 छोटे-छोटे pieces हो गए पेपर के. Now you have to draw one line over here. In left side. Okay. Now at the back, here you have to draw one line. So as you can see, 2 line I have drawn. मैंने 2 line बना दी है. So now you have to draw a line. एक line खींचनी है. एक और लाइन खींचनी है. So you have to draw 2 lines. As you can see, I have drawn 2 lines. Now I will color this first part with orange color. So as you can see, I have colored a orange color and a dark green color. मैंने orange color और dark green color use किया है. Now मैं बीच में एक circle बनाऊंगी. I am taking a help of this tape. You can use a cap of a bottle or anything you can use. So मैं अभी एक circle बनाऊंगी between में. As you can see, मैंने एक सर्कल बनाया है between में. So now I will draw a line in between. 24 lines. चक्र में 24 line होती है. So now I am making 24 lines in between. as you can see, I have drawn 24 lines in between this circle. Now you have to color this chakra with dark blue color. So I am taking a dark blue color. Just you have to draw line with the help of this color. Now you can see the first part is completed as the same thing. ऐसे आपको पीछे भी ड्रॉ करना है और सेम ऐसे आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करके कलर करना है. Now, as you can see, I had made at the both side equal orange. I have used orange color and green, dark green color. At the middle, I have made a chakra with 24 spokes. Now, I will make a stick to handle this flag. So you have to take a pencil, the help of a pencil. You have to roll like this. Now you have to use a gum and place it here. Now you have to roll like this. And as you can see, the stick is ready. इसे अब सूखने के लिए थोड़ी देर छोड़ देंगे. Now I am going to stick this flag with the pipe of a paper. So you have to put a glue here at the side of a corner. Now you have to put this like this and roll it. जैसे देख सकते हो आप, ये चिपक चुका है. ये है मेरा फ्रंट साइड एंड ये है हमारा बैक साइड. तो एज यू कैन सी फ्लैग इज रेडी, बट इसे सूखने के लिए छोड़ देंगे थोड़ी देर. नाउ एज यू कैन सी द फ्लैग इज रेडी. सो यू हैव टू मेक फ्लैग लाइक दिस एंड सेंड इट टू मी. जय हिंद, जय भारत.